Alright guys, welcome back to the video. This is Credit Broker. Now, what you are looking at is a maxed out CPN with a 850 credit score. How did I get this? Let me show you how. This CPN will be merged and tri-merged under your information so you can use. It already comes with a high limit credit cards and auto loans. Now this one comes with a 40K Capital One Ventures credit card. And also here is what it has on this credit profile. The 40,000 credit card that I have showed you, and also a 80,000 auto loan. Now, when you are applying for an auto loan or a credit card with this CPN, this will be under your name, and then you will get approved for at least $40,000 for a credit card and $80,000 for an auto loan. The total credit line on this CPN with the 850 credit score is $120,000. How is this possible? Basically, this company is called Tradelines LLC. What they provide is high limit funding and accounts and profiles. So for instance, this one says Enterprise CPN, and it comes with a 800 credit score CPN, which is what I showed you. Comes with a CPN number, CPN documentation for applying for funding. Now, it comes with an 80,000 auto primary trail line and a 40,000 credit card primary trail line, which I just showed you right here. Now, both of these accounts will have 7 to 8 years of credit history and 100% payment history. Now, the auto loan is closed but paid off. Now, the credit card, the $40,000 credit card right here, is 4% utilization with 100% payment history. So I paid $729, which is a one-time payment for the 120,000 credit line, and the trade lines, the primary trade lines, will be under your name through the CPN. Here's one thing you should know: the CPN, the trade lines are already reported. It takes 7 business days to try merge it with your information. Now, the information required, you will text them or email them to get started. Now, if you don't want a CPN and you need trade lines reported, that takes 7 business days. They also have these pricing tables. They have the essential, professional, enterprise, which they can report to your CPN, your personal, or your business. But this is proof that I received the CPN, which is a maxed out CPN with the 2 primary trade lines reported.